How to fix inverted camera on Instagram video call. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix inverted camera on Instagram video call. So let's get started. First, you have to open Instagram app with your account. Alright, after you open Instagram, from your at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three lines just at the top right. From settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option help. Alright, from the help section, tap on report a problem. Alright, tap on report a problem. From your include and continue. And from your, you'll have to briefly explain your problem like you are suffering a problem like inverted camera on your Instagram video call, and after you briefly explain your problem here, you can manually add some screenshot or photos of your inverted video calls screenshot to the Instagram support team. And after you explain and add your problem here, tap on the option send just at the top right, and after you complete a request from here, you'll have to back from here and open up the settings on your iPhone. Alright, after you open settings, tap on general. From general, tap on iPhone storage. And from iPhone storage, you'll have to scroll down and find out the application Instagram, and after you find it, tap on that. From Instagram section, tap on upload app, and after you upload the Instagram app, you'll have to again tap on the option reinstall app, and after you reinstall the application Instagram, your problem should be gone now. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.